Assalamualaikum. Hi everybody. In this video I will show you how to select sample based on systematic random sampling. Let's see. So as usual we should have a complete list of names of the population. For example, here we have 30. Okay, here is basically we have 30. So these are the population n equal to 30. Okay, these are the first steps. Second is that we have to decide the number of sample that we want to have. Let's say n, this number of sample, let's say we want to have 6 sample from these 30 names. Okay, next, after we decided to have the number of sample, for example here 6 sample, the next is that we should break or split this respondent into several groups. Okay, so should break this list into several groups. Okay, and the question is that, for example, how many individual in one groups. So we apply this formula to know how many individual in one groups. So we have this formula, the number of population divided by the number of sample. So population is 30 divided by sample that we want 6, so we have 5. This 5 it means that, okay, we have 5 individual in one groups. Okay, so this is the next step. We will select, okay, we will group the samples. Okay, 5 individual in one group. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this will be the first group. Okay, and then the second group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be the second group. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this will be the third group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, one, two, three, four, 5. So this is the last group. Okay, so now we have 5 group where 5 individual will group together, belong to one group. So next is that, okay, we want to select from each group one sample. Okay, the first step is that we want to select one sample from each group, and we will select based on random numbers. Okay, so again we can apply this randomized technique. For example, okay, put it here, equal to random between, okay, we can select here, for example, okay, we have the first group 1 to 5. You can put 1, maximum 5. Okay, just enter. So here it is clearly stated that, okay, the sample, okay, with the ticket number of 5 will be here. Okay, will be the first sample. So Khalid will be the first sample, and then for the next group, every fifth sample, for each group, every fifth sample will be the next sample. Okay, so this will be the second sample. Okay, the fifth individual in the second group, and then the fifth individual in the third group, Ahmad, and then the fifth individual from the fourth group. Okay, fifth individual from the fifth group, and last the fifth individual. Okay, every fifth individual from each group will be selected. So now the full list of sample, okay, that will be selected the first sample, the second sample, the third sample, the fourth sample. Okay, this will be the fifth sample, this will be the sixth sample. Okay, so now the requirement we have fulfill. We want 6 sample, we have all the 6 sample. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much.